Today we're going to be talking about the DeerValley DV-1S0360-V3 Premium Smart Toilet. And I'm going to be breaking down why upgrading to a modern smart toilet isn't just a luxury. It's honestly something that changes your everyday comfort. And trust me, once you switch, there's no going back. So let's jump right in. Most people don't normally think about the toilets. It's one of the most used devices in your home, yet it's usually most outdated. Toilet paper is overrated. Cold seats are miserable, and splashbacks are annoying. Bathroom smell, you already know. A premium smart toilet fixes all of that in one go, and the DeerValley DV-1S0360-V3 takes that experience to a whole new level. If you've never used a smart toilet before, you're going to feel like you just stepped into the future. It's cleaner, more hygienic, more eco-friendly, and way more comfortable than anything you've ever used before. The installation process may require a plumber and an electrician, but once you get that set up, it's very easy and convenient to use. Before installing, you also have to make sure that you have a nearby outlet so it can power the smart toilet. To be honest with you, I was a bit nervous about installing the toilet by myself since it doesn't seem like a basic DIY job and I didn't want to mess it up. So I did call my plumber and an electrician to help me set this up. I like to think of the upfront cost of installation as a one-time thing, a one-time setup for a long-term upgrade, just like installing a dishwasher or a new appliance. One of the first things that I noticed was how clean and modern it looks. It doesn't have that bulky, over-engineered look that a lot of smart toilets have. Instead, it's sleek, smooth, and minimal. Exactly what you want in a modern bathroom. I also love how it follows ADA guidelines and has an ADA height design, which is a really big deal, especially for people with disabilities or any seniors in your home. I can totally imagine this being in a commercial facility as well, where you do need to comply with ADA guidelines, so this would be perfect for that. It has a classic white modern look, and everything feels premium. It doesn't have cheap plastics, no rough edges, no loose components. You feel instantly like this is a high-end appliance. It has an auto open and auto close. When you walk up to it, the lid opens by itself. You don't have to touch anything or guess or bend. It just senses you and opens. And when you leave, it detects that there's no motion and it can close by itself as well. And as you stand up, it also flushes automatically and closes the lid while it's flushing. The foot sensor is one of my favorite features. I love how you can easily raise the lid or the seat all with your foot and completely hands-free. With your remote control, you can adjust temperature, water pressure, wash mode, seat height, and more. The interface is simple, nothing too complicated or confusing. Just tap it where you want it and it does it. If you want to increase the intensity, you can press the buttons multiple times to increase the intensity or adjust it through the top as well. I love the LED lights that are on the toilet. It gives it a gentle glow so you don't have to turn on the bathroom light, and you can easily navigate in the dark. There are 8-9 different modes of ambient lighting. You can use them as your concern by pressing ambient switch in the remote. The bidet can be easily controlled with the remote control, and it has a bunch of features such as posterior wash, feminine wash, oscillating spray, adjustable pressure, temperature, self-cleaning, a foam shield, an air dryer, deodorization, and a heated seat. The flushing system is very good. With the built-in tank and powerful pump, you're going to get a strong, consistent water pressure, a strong flush, a surprisingly quiet operation and efficiency. It works great in homes where the water pressures might not be great. And the system gives you a clean and reliable strong flush every time. This toilet's warm air dryer gently dries you with adjustable warm airflow, providing a comfortable, hands-free experience after cleaning. It reduces the need for toilet paper, promotes better hygiene, and offers multiple temperature levels for personalized comfort. This is motion activated, so if no one's sitting there, it normally wouldn't work. But it has 3 different modes, and you can keep pressing it to turn it up higher. And yeah, so there's no spills with the bidet, and you don't have accidental flooding, which is great. On this side, it has more settings such as controlling the foam shield, the air freshener. It automatically deodorizes, so there's no smell from the very beginning. It has the ambient light controls, and you can adjust the position of the bidet, the intensity, the water temperature, or the air temperature as well. And it also has heated seats. The nice and comfy heated seat and the accessibility of the ADA height design is suitable and ideal for most users. The heated seat means that there's no more cold mornings. The seat warms up and stays warm. It's fully adjustable so you can find the perfect temperature. After using it about a week, here's what stands out. I almost had to use no toilet paper. The dryer and wash combo is really that good. The bathroom smells much fresher and cleaner because of the deodorizer. I love the heated seat. It's so comforting, and the foot sensor is one of those features that you didn't know you'd love until you have it. The foam shield also makes everything cleaner and quieter, and the whole experience feels very luxurious. I love how the whole operation is completely hands-free. It makes everything very clean. The foam shield is such an underrated feature. When the foam shield activates, it creates a soft layer of foam over the bowl water. That means that there's no splashback, less noise, less odor, and a much more comfortable experience. Once you have it, you're gonna genuinely feel like every toilet should have this feature. The self-cleaning spray is accurate and gentle, but strong enough to actually clean, which is the point. If you've used cheaper bidet seats before and felt underwhelmed, this is a whole different level of comfort and effectiveness. It's one of those upgrades where you start wondering how you ever lived without it. So the big question, should you buy the DeerValley DV-1S0360-V3 Premium Smart Toilet? Well, the answer is absolutely yes. This toilet checks every box you could want in a modern bathroom upgrade: comfort, hygiene, automation, design, and long-term value. It's genuinely one of the most practical luxury upgrades you're gonna make in your home. If you've been thinking about switching to a smart toilet, this one is absolutely worth it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more home tech, smart upgrades, and honest reviews. Drop your questions in the comments. Installation features, smart toilet comparison, whatever you're wondering. I'll help you out. See you next time.